Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make cheesecakes. The history of cheesecakes, they come from ancient Greek, not New York. The first one was made on the Greek island of Samos. It was mostly used as wedding cakes in Greece. Athens made the first Greek recipe. The cream cheese was added by the Americans. The toppings, you can add toppings from every fruit or chocolate. The ingredients, it's for the base, it's ground cookie from the Maria home. 4 ounces of butter. I didn't bring the butter. The filling is cream cheese, 500 grams. 1 bag of milk. I didn't bring the milk. And 4 eggs. The cover is jam or chocolate of your choosing. Looking through the oven, you have to heat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Why cheesecake? I didn't like it at first, but I knew that my mom made good food, so I was like, why don't I try it? So then I tried it and I loved it.